Hello everyone! Sa mga hindi nakakilala, I'm Lyx Dela Rosa and welcome back to my channel. So, as the title itself, this is a quick zoomed-in eyebrow tutorial, and after brushing my brow hairs nakakarampot using a spoolie, I'm using this angled brush just to line my eyebrows, and nagsisimula ako sa inner lower part ng aking eyebrows. And yeah, just like that. And pagpasensyahan nyo na akong medyo blurred and hindi maganda pagkakakuha because this is just my first time, so bear with me. And ayan, ang ginagamit ko lang yung brow mapping guide na tinuro ko sa aking unang eyebrow tutorial, and I'll just link it here. And after kong maline yung outer part ng aking or the lower part ng aking brows, sinusundan ko na yung upper part, and just like it, ako na lang bahala kung ang gaano ko kapal yung gusto kong kilay, and I'll always make sure na mas manipis or mas light yung inner part than the end part ng aking kilay. And gagamitin ko lang yung natapos na kilay ko as a pattern sa kabilang side ng aking kilay because hindi talaga pantay ang aking natural eyebrows, kaya naman pinagpapantay ko lang sila ng pillet using eyebrow makeup. So, sa pagkikilay naman kasi, you don't need a maganda na talaga ang kilay because, you know, with the power of makeup, pwede mong gawin kung anong gusto mong gawin. Pwedeng Korean, eyebrows, or on flick, natural looking. You can do whatever you want. So, itong ginagawa ko is just like soft arch na brows na somewhat on flick but still natural looking. Ganyan lang aking ginagawa, just as simple as that. And I'm always using, or I preferred using eyebrow pomades than pencil because I feel like mas may control ako kapag pomades yung gamit ko. So, syempre, I'm just blending it out using the spoolie again. And, lagi kong tinitingnan kung pantay na ba siya. But you know, hindi naman talaga pantay ang ating kilay. They are just sisters, not twins. Ang mahalaga lang naman, hindi mukhang ibang taong may-ari ng kabilang kilay ninyo. Basta, mukha na silang decente tignan, mukhang pantay, pwede na yun. So, kapag hindi ako kontento, hindi pa rin ako tumitigil. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit talaga ako nalilate. Kaya usually, hindi na kagad muna ako nagkikilay kapag nagmamadali ako. So, yeah, that's it. Pwede na ba? Pwede na ba? Medyo kontento na ako niyan. So, gagawin ko lang is lilinisin ko lang siya using concealer. And kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi siya masyadong pantay, parang mas makapal itong part na to ng aking kilay, kaya naman medyo nininipisan ko siya using the concealer. And make sure to blend it kasi hindi maganda na may isang stroke ng line under your eyebrows. Hindi siya natural tignan kahit hindi mukhang natural ang aking kilay, but you know, you need to blend it. Pagdating sa makeup, blending is the key. Ayan, kinamay-kamay na, baka mapanis. There you go. And then, kahit medyo satisfied na ako sa part na to ng aking kilay, maganda pa rin gamitin ang concealer just to make it more pulido and mas clean tignan kahit na hindi nyo makita dahil nawawala ako sa camera. So, ayan na siya. Medyo kontento na ako sa itsura niya. Ganun lang naman kasimple magkilay. Ang mahalaga, alam nyo lang kung anong shape or outcome ang gusto nyo ma-achieve. And then, you can do it. So, that's it for my very quick eyebrow tutorial. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And see you on my next video. Bye-bye!